Today I am going to give presentation on the topic e-education and health issues related to this online education. So let's start the presentation. First of all, what is online education? Online education is a type of education which takes place through internet. There is no physical interaction between the students and teachers. These classes are taken through various applications like Google Classrooms, Meet, Zoom, etc. This online education has come into existence in India due to the pandemic COVID-19. As under the situation of this pandemic, students and teachers cannot go to school and can't interact with each other. That's why online education has been introduced. As we know, everything has its pros and cons. Similarly, online education has also various advantages and disadvantages. Let's discuss them one by one. So first of all, there are some benefits of online education. Online education is very flexible. It incurs very low cost and there is no transportation charges as students are not going to their schools. They are learning at their home through internet, through their mobile phones or laptops or other gadgets. There is lots of material, study material which is available on the internet, and students can take the help of that material for their better understanding. And in the online learning, there is a wide coverage among the students. So these were the benefits of online education. It has also some disadvantages. This online education requires more time than the traditional offline education. It becomes very difficult for teachers to put eyes on the students, whether they are doing good or bad. Teacher cannot make good decision through this online education about the students' growth as there is lack of interaction. Due to this lack of interaction, students feel sense of isolation also. There is lack of concentration among the students as the gadgets like mobile phones, laptops, tablets are distracting them from their studies, which results in lack of concentration. Despite all these bad effects, there are various health issues also related to this online education. The most serious issue is weakening of eyesight. There is an adverse effect of online education on the eyesight of students as well as of teachers, as they have to put lots of time on seeing the screen of their mobile phones or laptops. So this is a very big issue, that the eyesight of students as well as teachers is adversely affected by the online education. Next is stress. There is lots of stress among teachers and students due to e-learning, as teachers have to do lots of work on their mobile phones, laptops, which introduce stress among them. Students are also, as the workload among them is increased, and it has become a very serious issue of concern. Another health issue is there is lack of physical activities among the students, as they are not going outside to play with the friends and they are not going to schools. As in the school there are some sports activities, co-curricular activities, but in the online education all these activities are missing, and due to which students are feeling sense of isolation. So these were the health issues related to online education. Students seem to value the in-class physical learning experience much more than this virtual one. phones are very distracting for the students as they are facing lack of concentration due to these gadgets. And for commerce students, there are some practical subjects which are not understandable through virtual learning, as well as for science and technology program includes hands-on laboratory sessions, projects, etc., experiments. All these aspects of learning are limited in online education. That's why there is a need of physical interaction among the students and teachers for better education. That's all in this presentation. Thank you very much. Hope you all like this presentation. Thank you very much.